welcome to Sydney Marathon morning. This is going to be the first year that it's a major, and I'm very excited to run it. I've run the last 2 years, and it's probably one of my slower marathons because it is quite hilly. But I'm very excited, so come with me and enjoy Sydney Marathon 2025. Next up, Sydney Harbour Bridge. After that, there's 240 bigger. What a view! Just here for the vibes. It's hurry. Currently the 4-hour pace group. That won't last long. That's 4. Woo! Okay. This is 6. This is 7, and this is 8. Current fueling strategy: no clusters. Nice. Feet are sore, legs are lead. I thought I was ill prepared for all the marathons last year. This is next level. You got an infant at home and toddler, 3 major almost. It just makes all that training almost impossible at the moment. But I turned up and we will finish this because that is what I do. I will finish it. Yeah, anyway. 34, 33 to go. Gross. It's okay to walk and run and walk. I'm deploying my 50-50 method. So walk half K, run half K. Do that as long as I can. So here we go. Oh, that's my half K run now. Let's do it. Just remember, your pace is the best pace for you. So you ignore everyone else around you. You will be overtaken by thousands of people. And it doesn't matter, because you're here for you. I'm here for me. And I'm bloody proud of myself for getting out here and going for it, considering my lack of training for this one. But I'm here. And I promise you one thing, I'll cross that finish line before that timer runs out. Woo! This is 10k. Did somebody say 10k PB now? What's happening? I've cracked my first 2 PBs. Oops. And that is coming up on 11. And to get an iconic view. Is that the thumbnail? Excuse the snippet. That's the best spot. All right, quarter of the way. That's 14. Just do that 2 more times. Ugh. That's 15. Well, 16, and I've lost my airport case. This is going to make it fun. Ooh. I'm also down to 1 AirPod. The other one's died. So 40% left on this. It's going to make me hard for me mentally. I usually need music to push me. Oh, I guess that's my other battle today. Let's do it. 17. 17. Another 25 to go. Alright. 18. This is about where I really carked it last year too. I ended up taking 6 hours 40 to finish this. My excuse last year though was I've already ran 3 or 4 marathons by that point in the months leading up. Anyway, always full of excuses. Let's keep going. 19. Getting so close to halfway. Come on. Coming up to 20. Oh, it's hot now. 21.1. Officially halfway. Yeah, it hurts. This one, I'll be happy if I get 6. Realistically, might be 6.5. I'm not sure if we can run much more. And there goes the airport. Okay, no more music now for the rest of the marathon. That's 22. Alright, we're coming up to 23k. Safe to say, it's going to be 90% walking. I want to try and push myself that the last K, I'll run that whole one. But we've got a while till we get there. We officially turned back towards the city again. So, it's not home stretch, but it definitely feels better. Just stop running away from the city. Coming up to 24, 25, 25. So I'm now deploying the downhill strategy. So I'm just going to jog if I feel able, downhill only. Yeah, cool story. Let's be going. 26. Yep. Knees are starting to hurt now. Feet, they've already pretty much gone numb. It's a little bad, I guess. Who needs toes? Breathing's alright. Yeah. Coming up to 27. Yeah, 28k, which means 14 to go. Oh, I think it's going to be 6.5 hours. That's what my prediction is. Almost 4 hours in. Oh, another 2.5, I reckon. It's going to be a hard mental push with my feet. I've never had them so painful. Coming up to 29 kilometers. Ooh. And that's 30. As we approach 30k, we're now going into the worst part of this course, which is Centennial Park. I already can't wait to get out of it. Let's do this slog. You know what? I'm not going to record again until we're out of the park. That's how much I hate it. Okay! See you when we're out of the park. Okay, we're approaching 35k. We're out of the park. Thankfully, don't like that park. Not during the marathon anyway. Starting to get a blister on my left ankle now. Fun, fun, fun. 7k to go. Alrighty, reaching 36 now. 6 to go. 37k now, which means 5k to go. According to my predicted finish, it'll be in 30 minutes. Ha! Yeah, that's if I'm running. I can't run. I'm getting more and more cramps through my legs. And it's getting harder and harder to even just maintain this walking pace. So, 45 to an hour is my prediction. Okay. We're back at Hyde Park. Next stop, Botanical Gardens. Approaching 38, which means 4 to go. Just got to go down this park and back, and then we're home free. Alright, we're just reaching 39 k's now, which means 3 to go. That's 41, and yeah, 1k to go, and we'll be there. I can't believe we're going to do it. It's so much pain. This becomes, as I've said, mind over body. My body is FUCK'd. Ooh. Second major, 8th marathon. I need a rest for a while.